What is up, my beautiful, amazing human beings? And welcome back to Hot of the Streets. I'm your host, Anati Valika, and on our hot topics this week, we have Queen Lowly on the headlines on being AKA and Mselekus side chick. So as you already know, social media streets will never cease to amaze you, and the story that we are covering now is testimony to that fact. So get this, controversial Mzansi slay queen Nomfunda Shezi, popularly known as Queen Lowly, has once again become a hot topic after claiming that she was AKA and Mselekus' son, Pumelelo's side chick in Musa Kaula's Omakwapeni show. So on a recent episode of Omakwapeni, she confessed to being Mselekus' side chick and even played a video of them having sex. Musa Mseleku and his son Pumelelo quickly responded with a defamation of character lawsuit, which Musa Kaula shared on his Instagram page. Unfortunately, AKA is no longer with us to defend or speak for himself, but Queen Lowly claims they have been together since February 2022, and she even has AKA's clothes in her house. So this is not the first time sis has opened up or confessed about being a side chick to a number of celebrities. Previously, it was Big Zulu, Master KG, and Teko Modise on her list. On Big Zulu, she claims to have had a serious relationship with him. However, after many years, she found out that she was actually the side chick and not the main chick she thought she was. On Master KG, sis claims they even have a baby together after she refused to abort again, as he had impregnated her before but was forced to abort her first pregnancy. On Teko Modise, she said she was dating the retired soccer star when she was still 16 years old. So if you happen to know of other celebrities she claims to have dated before that we left out maybe, please don't forget to let us know in the comments box below, because we would really love to know. Again, this is Hot of the Streets, brought to you by Nice Entertainment, and as usual, I'm your host, Anati Valiko. And please, man, don't forget to do the right things, okay? Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed on the channel yet, because this is the hottest channel on the blog. You already know, yes. And also activate your post notifications so you don't miss a video whenever we are posting. Until next time, peace.